looking at a cardboard casing with an FM radio inside, and the radio is the very infamous DSP FM PLL module you could buy on, well, practically every Chinese site you can buy electronics on. Prices are between €3.80 until up to about €12. I paid about €10 for this radio, and I was very surprised by the sensitivity of this radio. After this video I'm gonna put some little clips of the DXing idea I'm doing on this radio. It's a very simple radio. I bought it actually to be listening to 3.5 meter amateurs that are doing their DXing on the 3.5 meter band in the Netherlands. That band is officially running from 84 until 86.9 megahertz, so underneath the normal regular FM band. It's a very complete package. As you can see, it has 2 speakers mounted in there. Yeah, the drilling of the holes was a bit of a mess, so that's why the speakers are coming on the outside of the box. And also, if you look on the side here, you can see that the cardboard is not really tied together, so that's why I put this screw underneath there. And I'm using batteries for now. So, and I want to have the screen a bit more to the front of the cardboard. Yeah, it's a very complete radio with stereo amplification, 6 watts in total. That's why I'm not going to use this radio too much on batteries. The batteries are not able to give the power to the amplifier that the radio will keep on working. On this side, as you can see, I've put an antenna connector for my homemade dipole that is outside, and when I'm telling this you will see the antenna briefly in the screen. Well, we're gonna see how sensitive it is. It is really a sensitive radio. It has some menus inside, but they're not really in too deep. I have it put on campus mode, and campus mode means that it has the FM runs from 76 megahertz until 108, exactly what I bought this radio for, and it tunes with steps of 100 kilohertz, which sometimes is not really ideal, especially when you want to hear some DXing on the 3.5 meter band. But well, it's a very complete radio for less amount of money. You have to be creative with the casing, and why I put it in this cardboard casing is because you're not allowed to touch the PCB while it's working. When you are touching the PCB and it's operating, you can damage the chips on it. It's not really what I want, so I wanted the radio to be in the casing, but I'm not really satisfied how it's been going so far, so I'm just gonna adapt this casing more to my liking. So the speakers that are in here I'm gonna put on top of the cardboard, then
abgenommen. Was noch schlimmer ist, du hast es aus freien Stücken getan. Du bist kein Mandalorianer mehr.
Oh Gott, heißt das, wir müssen die Serie jetzt umbenennen, oder was? Nee, also das nicht, weil also Helm nehmen ist zwar ein dickes No-Go für die traditionsbewussten Mandalorianer, aber den Jaren wäre nicht den Jaren, wenn er nicht einen Weg finden würde. Er hofft, dass er Wiedergutmachung leisten kann, indem er nämlich zu seinem zerstörten Heim
mocht jij eventjes in de gelegenheid zijn om mij een rapportje te geven, dan heel graag. Kijk, of de modulatie goed doorkomt. Er komt nog een RDS'je mee. Nou, stereo, alles erop en eraan moet het dit keer wezen. Dus attentie Pierre, de Eldorado, bijzonder goedenavond amateur. Ik hoor dat je een mooie afstand maakte net. Met de Blue Hawaii. Nee, dat is niet waar. Jij was met Elvis uit de Gelderse Achterhoek. Dus attentie de Eldorado, Pierre. Wil je mij even een rapportje geven? Ik luister uit. Ik heb wel even een kleine 10 seconden nodig, denk ik. Schakel maar, ik luister uit. Alvast dank.
Shut me down.